How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular tiny home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Jasper. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and today is a very special episode because I am presenting to you the Jasper, which is part of our tiny house series that we're offering here at Recreational Resort Cottages. I've had plenty of you hitting me up in the DMs, calling, emailing, saying, Mr. Tiny, I love your cottage aesthetic and the cottage feel that you give at Recreational Resort Cottages, but I just can't do 399 square feet. I need a little bit more to make it for me. Well, guess what? We've got it right here in the Jasper. This particular home is 14 feet wide, 48 feet in length, including the 8-foot front porch. It's on sale today for $98K. $98,000, you get everything you see, and this particular model is 640 square feet. So just a little bit extra goes a long way. And as you can see on the exterior of this home, we've added the 8-foot front porch. We have it in a garlic clove base. We have the iron ore trim and fascia, as well as the crow's foot beam going across the front of the home. So that's adding the character that we like to possess right here, as well as the rebar rails with the black metal toppers. And as you make your way onto the front of the 8-foot porch, you can see that we have the tortoise brown Trex decking. That's Trex decking with a 30-year warranty. Like I said before, it's rebar rails. Not much you can do to mess them up unless you macho man Randy Savage. And I don't think you are, so you got these lasting for a long time. And as you take it up, you'll see that we have 2 can lights. We have wired and braced for a ceiling fan directly there in the center. And then we have a window right up front. But let's take it inside so I can show you this appeal that you like from us here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And as you come in, you'll see that right here in the main living area, when you first walk in, this is the advantage of going with one of the Tiny Home Series models that we have right here with the Jasper. Speaking of, the other model that I've showcased before is the Topaz XL. Those are the 2 models currently in our Tiny Home Series, where we've taken great tiny home floor plans and just added a little bit more square footage. But right here in the Jasper, you can see we've got a full-size couch, 3 large picture windows, 3 transoms up above, bringing in that natural light, bringing in that view of your beautiful property. That way you can enjoy tiny home living with just a little bit more square footage. And what I love about this is the open floor plan from one side of the living to the other, where you have the floating entertainment center, literally. But then right there, we have the countertop right on top of it, but then right there we add a little bit more character with the mosaic backsplash. This has the area for your TV. You're not confined to a small TV like you are sometimes in the tiny homes. You have more space right here, but you do not even sacrifice the windows up top. You get to keep those while still having a designated space for your TV. See, we have the open cubbies on each side that you can store decor or books, but then additional cabinets down below. This is great. But what I also love is that it's vaulted ceilings in this home. Vaulted ceilings front to back. You can see we got the ceiling fan there centered, white blades, nickel finish, but having that vaulted ceiling makes this home feel even larger than right over 600 square feet as it currently is. And then as you make your way from the living area, you'll get into the kitchen. Right here we have the raised bar area. We tend to add a little bit of character right here with the Galvalume accent to bring some more of that farmhouse aesthetic to it. That's an option you can choose to have or you can choose to remove. Totally up to you. We just like what we do. But right here we've got that in there for you. And as you can see, what's great about it is one side is great if you're eating, but then another side is lowered. So it's great for prep space. If you were washing dishes, you can dry them right here. You have plenty of outlets going around. You also have, again, the mosaic backsplash wrapping around, elevated area here with the window. But speaking of doing the dishes, why would you be doing the dishes when you got the dishwasher right here? And that's the great thing about going up to a little bit more square footage. The dishwasher is like a unicorn in a 399 square foot tiny home. You can always add one, but you're gonna be sacrificing that wonderful storage space that you do not have a lot of times in the tiny homes. But with going up a little bit larger, you have enough space for not only a dishwasher, but a full-size dishwasher. So that's the great thing about it there. We have that finished in black, complementing the black bar pulls on our white cabinets that you'll see here. We have the 2-basin sink right here. You know, you got the detachable sprayer. You can spray off your fruits and veggies, make your veggie tray when you're enjoying your day in this model. You also got additional countertop space wrapping around. Then we have the full mosaic backsplash going from the countertop all the way up to the bottom of the cabinet. Black appliances, we chose to go standard in this one to show you what standard looks like with the coil top stove. Of course, you can do smooth top. That's what we do most of the time, but you have that there. And then we also have the microwave up above. Additional cabinetry wrapping around, as well as additional countertop space. Side by side, fridge right here. We have the space completed up top. So you have a little bit more decor space also. But again, we take advantage of all the space that we can. So instead of walling this off, making it dead space, what do? You know us. We got you a little coffee bar set up right here. You can have cookbooks right here to have them on display, whatever you like. You have it here. We got 4 cubbies down below. We got the light right here, just in case you're scared of the boogeyman in the middle of the night. You can leave that on, and that way you get out of bed, go get a drink of water. Hey, we keeping it lit up for you. Mr. Tiny's taking care of you. But then also we've got the open shelves right here in the rustic finish, but also we have the black bar piping right here, the black piping, and we actually refurbished that piping. So it's the piping that we use when you choose to add gas to a home. But what we've done is, hey, we could use it for gas, or we could choose it to use it for decor. So we actually add 4 of these here, put a shelf on top of each one, you're good to go. And then right here we have 2 more windows as you make your way down the hall. And then of course right here, we have stackable wash machine and dryer area. And again, we're utilizing space where we can. We have an open cubby up top, so that way you can store your detergents, your fabric sheets, softener, all that good stuff. But then right here off the side, we have another exterior door, so that way you can come in from the side of the home into your bathroom. Why that's a big key is because in the tiny homes, a lot of times you're gonna have 1 door as well as an exit window in the bedroom. When you go up to a home this size, you got 2 doors in here. So that's a key factor to think of. And as you make your way into the bathroom, you can see we kept the same countertop going here. We chose to change it up with a different glass backsplash there with a hint of brown. We also have the linen up above the commode right here. And then we make our way into the rolling glass tile shower. This is in a vintage lace pattern laid horizontally. We chose to go with white grout in this model, rain shower head. You see right here, I'm 6'1", like I tell you all the time. You got enough space to do whatever you like right here for anyone. You can fit in here, as well as a small transom up there. Again, bringing in the natural light, because that's what we do. Now let's take it back to the main bedroom, the master bedroom. As you make your way in, you're greeted by 2 more windows, one here off the side, one here off the rear of the home. What's great is you have enough space in a tiny home to accommodate a king-size bed with ease. You can even put a nightstand on each side. But what's awesome is right across from that, you have enough space here on this main wall. You can put a TV console, big TV right here. You can put a big flat screen right here and make it look like you've got a drive-in movie right here in your bedroom. But what's great also is we have another ceiling fan centered here. And right across, you can see that we have the electrical panel box. This model will come equipped with 200 amp electric service there for you, but of course we want to have it blend in. We like to coordinate, of course, so we add a cabinet door there. Right here on the closet, you can see we add a little bit more pop. We add the barn door there for you. We finished out the soffit up top, so if you wanted some additional storage space or some more decor, you can do that. And then we slide this barn door open, and we are into the closet. As you can see, we got walk space here from one end to the other. So you got hanging space, shelf up top. Also right here behind this, we have a false wall that is going to be where your water heater is going to be located. So you have the access there behind that false wall. And then another key feature, you follow me back through, and I'll show you here in the living area. But as you make your way back through, you can see how this home opens up. You can see how much space that it actually has. And this is what I was wanting to talk about. This is the mini split AC and heat system. You're going to have one in your living area, you're going to have one in your master bedroom. Why that's a key is because in most tiny homes, that's what you're going to get. So we kept that going in the Jasper here. So they're definitely energy efficient. There, you can run them simultaneously by remote. You can have one off if you're not in the bedroom, you're out in the main area, and just have the one in the main area going. Look it up. They're very energy efficient. Our clients love them, especially paired if you're, a new subscriber, then you should know that our home's quality that we provide. All these windows are double thermal pane, vapor barrier, radiant barriers, all that goes a long way, especially paired with the mini split AC and heat systems. So as you see here, not only does this home have quality, it has the character that you're looking for in a tiny, but also going just a little bit more square footage for you like you've asked for. So if you like this tour, you know what to do. Leave a like. Leave a like right now. Also hit that notification bell. So that way you're notified every week as I drop new videos. Everything from 399 square foot tiny homes up to 2,500 square foot multi-section homes, which I feature on Multi-Section Monday. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the Jasper was. Was it the 8-foot front porch? Was it having more square footage here in a tiny home? Was it, the elevated bar area, tile shower? You just let me know, and I will take that and run with it. We take your comments, we take your constructive criticism if there's something you didn't like, and we make those adjustments as needed. Hence, we made the tiny home series because we listened to our clients who said they want to go tiny, just not that tiny. So it's not for everybody at $399. So we want to get everyone in between, everything for you. We got everything here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, if you want to contact me about the Jasper today, run on over to my Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Jasper as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And one more time, keep in mind, this home is 14 feet wide, 48 feet in length, including the 8-foot front porch, on sale today for $98K, because I can't tell you what it's going to be next year, can't tell you what it's going to be next week, but right now it's $98K. And until next time, I'll see you another day here with another Tiny Home Tuesday. Y'all have a great day.